We're going to start today by talking about least common multiple. There's a couple ways to find least common multiple, but the way we're going to find it is using prime factorization. You could list out all the multiples, but sometimes we get numbers bigger that make it more difficult. So what we're going to do is take 48 and 56. And if I asked you to find the least common multiple, the first step you could take is to find the prime factorization. 6 times 8. 3 times 2, so I'm just getting this down to all prime numbers. 4 times 2, and then 2 times 2. I did prime factorization now with 48. Now I'm going to move over to 56 and do the prime factorization of that. 8 times 7. I'm circling my prime numbers. 4 times 2, and 2 times 2. Now what I can do is list the prime factors of all these. 2, 2, 2, 2, and 3. That's 48. And then I take 56 and go 2, 2, 2, and 7. What I can do now is find the numbers they have in common. And every time I see a number in common, I circle it and write it down. Now, I don't see any more numbers in common, but I do have some leftover numbers. What I'm going to do with those leftover numbers is just put them down once. So this 2, I bring down once. This 3, I bring down once. And this 7. This is where a calculator would come in helpful. If you can't do this on paper or mentally, this is one time that a calculator would be helpful. And the prime factorization, when multiplied all these numbers together, equals 336. That's not the prime factorization, that's actually the LCM. That's how you find the least common multiple of two numbers using prime factorization.